Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your account details and modem ID so activation is seamless. Mount placement matters. Pick a roof or pole with a clear view of the sky. Obstructions reduce signal and speed. Once chosen, lay out the dish, mast, bracket, 5075 FT coax, grounding rod, and tools. You need safety gear, use a harness on roofs, and a level and compass to roughly aim the dish toward the provider's satellite arc. You mount the bracket firmly and assemble the mast and dish, keeping bolts loose for aiming adjustments. Feed the coax from the dish's L&B into the house, label the cable and weatherproof every connector with tape or boot. Connect coax to a surge/ground block, drive a grounding rod near entry, and bond to the electrical ground. This protects equipment and meets code. Once cabling is tidy, move inside to power the modem and prepare for signal lock. You aim the dish while watching the modem's signal page or a handheld meter. Small azimuth or elevation tweaks increase SNR until the modem reports a lock. Once locked, follow the provider's activation flow. Enter the modem ID, run provisioning, and confirm internet access. If you don't get a lock, make sure connectors are tight, coax isn't damaged, and there are no new obstructions. Check grounding and power, then reboot the modem. If problems persist, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.